Hey, this is Maggie from Juma, and today I'm going to show you how to upload and store files inside of the Juma platform. To begin, you can actually drag and drop files directly inside your chats. So here it is, my file is uploaded. However, the best part is that all of the files you upload inside of Juma get saved inside your personal context library. That means that you can reuse all files, web pages, and instructions that you have added and reuse it inside other chats without uploading them again. To open the context library, click on the plus over here or just use @ which is the shortcut. So this is your library. Over here, I can see all of the stuff that I have uploaded inside of the Juma platform. I have some PDFs, some sheets, I have some instructions, web pages, and stuff that I have integrated directly from Notion and Google Drive. Now, how to add context inside your library? You need to click on that button over here, Add Context, and choose between the different types of content you can upload. Of course, you can upload photos and files, but you can also create instructions. For example, I can instruct the AI to write in a conversational friendly tone, use short sentences, and avoid jargon. I'm going to save that instruction. And now I can reuse it every time I start a new chat. Let's see what else we have here. I can save different URLs, and I can also add files and images from Google Drive, Notion, OneDrive, and SharePoint. If I enter a project of mine, over here in these tags, I can see all of the context that is attached to the project because of the project knowledge that I have added. However, if I want to add an additional file or instruction, I can either drag and drop it or open the context library and select the files I need. You will see them over here on top of the chat input field. So that is the context library and how to upload files and images into Juma. Your stuff is organized, reusable, and always there when you need it. Your context library is private and it will keep all of your files, instructions, and images safe so that you can reuse them across different chats, across different private and shared projects. That's it. Bye and see you in the next one.